What's up, you guys? This is the first time this truck has been on for about 2 weeks. I'm actually about to take it in to a shop to go get the front end redone and some chassis work. Right here, the frame is actually coming apart, and that's where the steering rack bolts up. As you see, it's actually broken right there. They're gonna replace all this, cut that out, box it out, and they're gonna be doing the same on the other side. They're also gonna be swapping out all the arms, drag link, tie rod, inner and outer, ball joints, upper and lower, new steering stabilizer. There goes a little coyote, well, a fox. But yeah, steering stabilizer and all that good stuff. So it was either I find a shop that's willing to take on this job or find a new truck, chassis. But being that I don't have my own spot, garage and everything, I park at a community lot. I'm gonna be taking this to the shop so they can get it done. And I couldn't find a good truck in time. So yeah, just get busy. Hopefully we get there safe and get back to y'all.